Episode 10: Cherries on top of the cake. To have some fun in conclusion of our series, we wanted to give you some more insights into other options that you may or may not already have as a part of your package. We will tell you more about engagement sessions, photo booth, albums, 360 virtual reality videos, crane reception coverage, and wall art. Let's start with engagement sessions. Although engagement sessions are rather cherries on the bottom of the cake, they are not to be missed. This is your chance to take photos without any of the pressures of the wedding day and to experiment as much as you want. With engagement sessions, you're also not limited logistically, so you can take photos in your favorite places or do a cool theme like a picnic. You can bring your pets or do a shoot that matches the season, especially if it's different from your wedding. Engagement sessions are also a great way to get used to being in front of the camera. Photo booth. Nowadays, photo booth is nearly a must for any big occasion, as the photographers and videographers will mostly focus on capturing you and your entourage. The photo booth is a great way to get a memento from everyone present at your wedding. Our photo booth is fun and elegant. It can come either as a standalone piece with a backdrop or as an enclosed cool cube structure. We provide you with a large gallery of strip designs to choose from, but if you don't find anything you like, we can also design a strip specifically for you, as long as you provide us with some samples of designs that you like. After the wedding, we will send you the digital versions of all the strips from the photo booth. Albums. When was the last time you held a printed photo of yourself that wasn't your ID? Wedding albums are true family heirlooms, and holding one in your hands makes for a completely different experience than scrolling through an online gallery. It feels more personal and more alive, whether it's a small little album like this or stylish big books like these. An album is a true final product of wedding photography. And in our studio, we get excited every time we get to flip through a new album. 360 virtual reality video. This is so cool. I haven't seen this wedding from this perspective. It's like being there. It's really like being there. In a complete flip from the past to the future, a virtual reality ceremony video is something you have to see to believe. With these glasses on, you fully re-experience your own wedding. You can look around and see your guests, or look up at the sky or the ceiling and watch the entire ceremony as if you were literally there again. It is mind-blowing to think that a few decades from now, you will be able to see your ceremony exactly the way it happened in every detail. The crane. If you want your reception to be captured in the most epic way, a crane is the way to go. It allows us to shoot incredible overhead footage and do long, seamless gliding shots over the entire ballroom as if it was a Hollywood movie. Our crane extends up to 18 feet. This piece of equipment is nothing short of impressive. Wall art and canvases. While an album is a personal and intimate way to relive your wedding memories, wall art is a way to see them in an epic way and to have an incredible reminder of your wedding in front of you every day. You can get a collage of your favorite photos or a standalone canvas with or without a floating frame. Our designer will help you choose the best option for your specific space. If you prefer not to have to deal with handling your wall art yourself, white glove installation is also an option. To conclude our Wedding Mastery course, we want to say that we really appreciate the chance to share this advice with you. We collected and refined it with you in mind, and we hope that it will help you to have the happiest of weddings. Thank you.